Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to capture messages in line. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done that, well, worry not, the process is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding how to log in as well, so you guys will not face any issues. Let's say I want to capture this message right here. Well, the process is quite easy. Simply click and hold on the message that you wish to capture. Once you do that, these things will open up. From here, as you guys can see, there are lots of messages, but right now all you guys need to do is focus on this thing called as capture. Click on it, and as you guys can see, the specific message has been selected. Now do note that you have the option to hide info as well. Simply click on hide info, and once everything's okay, simply click on capture. And guys, this is it. This is how we capture the message. Once everything's okay, simply click on download, or do note that you can also share. I'm gonna click on download right now. And that is it guys. That's how we capture messages in line. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.